struggling with persistent cough, chest weakness, or bone pain. Abies Excelsa is a trusted homeopathic remedy that naturally supports your lungs, bones, and overall vitality. It's helpful for chronic chest infections, weak lungs, spinal irritation, post-illness fatigue, and weakness in the elderly, all without side effects. Flex biceps, try Abies Excelsa today for natural healing. Now available at Al Hakim Homeopathic Clinic, Richmond Hill, Ontario, and leading homeopathic stores across Canada.